Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I have a new toilet bar to show you. I am loving this one. Let me tell you why. Okay, these are padded and really nice and soft. This was very easy to put together. You have a little book rack here. This does just easily come off. You didn't need any tools, everything just screwed together. The base is what I absolutely love. So I've reviewed other toilet bars that either attach or suction cup to the floor. What I love about this one is, let's say you have a carpet in your bathroom, right? You can use this. You can see this end is on the carpet and it's not going to affect the sturdiness of this. And I just love that you have that really nice sturdy base. You can't beat that. I love how lightweight it is to move and it just looks nice. And I do like too that the handbars are closer in. That makes it easier to use. Okay, so let me show you how to use this to stand up. Okay, so I know this might not be the best angle, but at least you can see. So you can see my feet are comfortably on the floor. I can put my hands on the bars and push up. If I need to, I can pull this a little forward and push up from there. So you have a lot of leverage when you're standing, which is really, really great. And let me show you just how sturdy this is. This is holding all of my body weight and it feels so stable. It's not moving. This thing is just absolutely amazing. Really nice. Gives a nice sense of just stability and comfort for your loved one or yourself who may need a little assistance when standing up. So I am giving this 2 enthusiastic thumbs up. Check it out.